This Coldwell Banker Reehl Properties Incorporated property video is presented by Michael Dorset. Welcome to 9126 Huckleberry Drive in your private Resort Oasis. Located in desired Spanish Fort Al and the Rockwell/Spanish Fort schools. This home is in like-new condition and offers an open floor plan, new paint, a new Carrier 14 Seer 3.5 ton watts with Ecobee smart thermostat, tankless water heater and all new ductwork, a new 18x35 Gunite pool with a tanning ledge, grotto with waterfall, 2 pool lights and a large paver area with raised patio table sections. There is an outdoor Sonos/Sonance sound system with 8 satellite speaker system with 2 subwoofers. There are 2-tier decorative retaining wall with landscaping, a paver walkway with landscape lighting in the backyard and landscape lighting with a decorative retaining wall in the front yard. The kitchen offers granite countertops, coffee bar, large breakfast bar. There is a large great room with a fireplace, an office/flexroom off the great room, oversized master bedroom with a LRG master bathroom that offer his and her vanities. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael Dorset at 251-463-6682.